y'all. I'm gonna put this on Facebook for real. That's hilarious. That's nasty. Y'all are some motherfucking stupid ass people. That's just stupid. These people are stupid, y'all. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do you see how Mark just fell on the mother loving floor, and that's Cole and Mark. That's retarded.
I quit.
Don't hit me with that ball.